Have you ever heard of Miharu Takizakura in Fukushima? It is a magnificent cherry tree that looks like a waterfall. I would like to introduce it to you as one of our sightseeing destinations. Overview of Miharu Waterfall Cherry Blossom. One of the 3 great cherry trees of Japan. Over 1,000 years old. National Natural Monument. Height, 13.5 m 14.7 yards. Full bloom, mid-April. Numerous artists have captured the beauty of Miharu Takizakura in their works. At the Go-Sakura Art Museum in Nakameguro, visitors can view diverse artistic interpretations of this legendary cherry tree. Access information. By train, approximate 2 hours from Tokyo. Closest station. Miharu Station on the Banetsu Higashi Line. Miharu Station to Miharu Takizakura. Use bus or taxi. Bus, Takizakura Go, fare is 530 yen. Taxi, fare is 2,000 to 3,000 yen. By car, approximate 3 hours from Tokyo. 20 to 30 minutes from Koriyama Higashi IC. Or Funhiki Miharu IC. Use the Takizakura Grand Parking Lot. Free parking or park at Miharucho Athletic Park and take the free shuttle bus. Free shuttle buses depart every 30 minutes on weekdays and every 15 minutes on weekends. Recommended to avoid traffic jams. For details on access, please refer to the website of the Miharu Tourist Association. Cherry Blossom Viewing Fee. 500 yen. Free for junior high school students and younger. These are some of the most wonderful cherry blossoms in Japan, so please visit if you have a chance. I hope this guide helps make your trip to Japan more enjoyable. If you have any concerns, please comment. We also welcome you to follow us on Instagram and X. Thank you.